In this session, let us learn about Java comments. Java comments. Comments can be used to explain Java code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. See the example. Single line comment starts with 2 forward slashes. Any text between slashes and the end of the line is ignored by Java, will not be executed. This example uses a single line comment before a line of code. See here, this is a comment. See here, the comment was not printed. This example uses a single line comment at the end of a line code. Java multiline comments. Multiline comments starts with slash star and ends with star slash. Any text between slash star and star slash will be ignored by Java. This example uses a multiline comments, a comment block to explain the code. See here, public class main. See here, slash star. The code below will print the world hello world to the screen, and it is amazing. See here, hello world. Singular multiline comments. It is up to you which you want to use. Normally we use double slashes for short comments and slash star slash for longer. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 3, Java comments. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java variables. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.